Hey everyone, Dave Myers here, KooKoo for KooKoo. We're coming at you from KooKoo's Kitchen on the Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel. Now, if you aren't here watching right now, you better get over to it and watch Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel, because today we're gonna make peppermint brownies. We're gonna do something that even I could do, even not a cook can do, and that's using the KooKoo Exchange brownie mix, which is absolutely delicious. Stick of melted butter, we're going to do that. 2 room temperature eggs, and then the peppermint trail is going to lead us to using our white chocolate peppermint mini bars. Top that off with some crushed candy canes. I'm going to crack our bag open and put the entire bag. Let me get the butter melted, and we'll get over here to the microwave and get that going. All right, did not explode. That's the sign of a good cook, when he didn't explode anything in the microwave. So let's get our eggs going. Uh-oh. Get our melted butter going. This mix is pretty thick when you get done, but it comes out great. If you're a fan of brownies, I'm going to tell you this is very, very good. So we got our mix mixed up pretty good. It's got actually see chocolate chips down in there. Isn't that cool? So over here we have our 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper. We got to get the cooking spray. So now we put our brownie mix into the bottom of the pan. Like I mentioned, not that big, but rich flavor in chocolate, and kind of a nice size, so you don't have them hanging around, because I guarantee you these will be gone right out of the oven. So we got our pan ready. Then we're going to take, just because we kind of didn't know, but we're going to take 2 of our white chocolate peppermint mini bars. What I'm going to do is try to evenly, as even as possible on these bars, cut them into small squares. And as you cut them, the aroma of peppermint just comes right at you. And once again, not overbearing, but incredibly pleasant. In this cocoa butter, which is what white chocolate is, in this cocoa butter bar, it just is really spectacular. Okay, so we're going to just kind of spread these around in there. I'll do a little bit of perhaps pushing it. Lydia, this is going to be cool. What the heck? Now, this is where we come to the little bit of a KooKoo part. We have our candy cane. We are, thanks to Lori Howard of Gifts, thank you, Lori, a great friend of mine. We have our candy cane here, and we are gonna just kind of spice it up a little bit with more candy cane. I gotta have something to break it up with. I think I have something down here. Now, let's see. Oh, yeah. Now, that's a peppermint crusher right there. Get yourself a hammer and we are going to go to crush it. So, oh, whoa, whoa. Yes, it's Crocodile Dundee would say, now that's a hammer. And this is the part where I start to get excited because I can see that it could be kind of cool. Alrighty, we're pepperminted up and ready to put this baby in the oven. We got the oven preheated at 350. We go set our timer for 30 minutes. The directions say 32 minutes. We will be back in a minute. Your time. Okay, here we go. Timer just went off. Well, we've got our brownies out on our rack in our tray and cooled, but they're still warm. Oh, look at, I don't know if that's from the cut, but can you see how I had the knife and it's gone into the, that's kind of what I was hoping for, and that is a piece of the mini bar. Got this cut out. It has some nice, I don't know what you would call it. You could call it a little marbling. As you can see, this one has, it even has kind of the yellow of the white chocolate bar. This is incredibly good. The surprise that I wasn't ready for was it kind of has this crunchy glaze cracking top because of the peppermint candy canes we put over the top. That kind of melted a little bit but still has some of its crunch. There it is, peppermint brownies using white chocolate mini bars, peppermint mini bars, and the truffle chocolate stuff from Brownie Mix from the KooKoo Exchange. I thank you all for watching. If you haven't yet, you should have by now, but you still can. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the subscribe button, and go over and take a look at KooKoo for KooKoo, our Facebook page, and like that one. That's an easy click. And we will catch you next time. Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo.